Feeling stuck with ChatGPT? Like you're just guessing, tossing prompts into the void and hoping for magic only to get generic mush back? You know it's powerful, but you feel like a passenger, not the pilot. Let's change that right now. I've been deep in the trenches with AI since the early days. Think back to the potential we saw in the clunky but amazing tools like Jarvis way back in 2016. It showed us the future, even if it couldn't quite get us there yet. Since then, I've spent years as a fractional COO, as a strategic coach, working hands-on with founders, creators, coaches, solopreneurs, people just like you, helping them cut through the noise and actually use these incredible tools to get strategic results. In 2025, using ChatGPT effectively isn't about finding secret tricks. It's about becoming a prompting architect. It's about deliberately designing your conversations. Today, we're ditching the guesswork and building your architect's toolkit step by step. All right, let's lay the groundwork. Like any architect, you need a solid foundation before you build sky high. This first crucial step is about mastering the blueprint of your prompts. Structuring requests for maximum clarity and control. First principle, stop dumping massive requests. Break it down. Treat complex tasks like building blocks. Feed ChatGPT one logical step at a time. This prevents confusion for the AI and forces clarity in your own thinking. Second foundation stone, give ChatGPT a job. Don't just ask, assign. Use the prompt anatomy, specify a role, define the context and audience, state the task, dictate the format, and set constraints. These are your architectural specs. Nail this foundation and you immediately eliminate 80% of the frustration most people feel with generic AI responses. With a solid foundation, the next step is tailoring the tool to you. Stop repeating yourself endlessly. Leverage custom instructions. Tell ChatGPT once about your work, your audience, your style. Define your preferred tone, format, and boundaries. Think of it as providing standing orders. It primes every conversation for relevance. Next, and this is critical, actively manage your AI's memory. ChatGPT learns from your chats, and explicit commands like the remember this command. But you control that memory. Go into settings, view what's saved, delete what's outdated or irrelevant. Toggle the entire feature off if needed, and use a temporary chat for anything you don't want remembered. This isn't just about efficiency, it's about maintaining control and privacy. Mastering personalization means the AI starts feeling like your co-pilot, not just a generic tool. The foundation is set, the tool is personalized. Now, let's activate the real power tools built into ChatGPT. This is where you move beyond simple chat. Make sure browse, data analysis, and file uploads are enabled in your settings. Use Browse for live up-to-the-minute web information. Connect cloud drives and use file uploads to let AI analyze your documents, spreadsheets, PDFs, all directly. Use data analysis to have it interpret the data and even generate charts. The magic happens when you combine them. Ask it to browse for current market data, then analyze your uploaded sales report in light of that data. That's integrated intelligence. And for your writing and coding workflows, master the Canvas workspace. It puts the AI chat right beside your document or code. Get suggestions, edit directly, track changes, a seamless forge for creating and refining complex work. Engaging these tools transforms ChatGPT from an encyclopedia into a dynamic workshop. If you're starting to see the architectural possibilities, support the channel. Hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next steps, the next episodes. Also, check out the links in the description to make sure that you pick up the prompt guide book. Owning the tools isn't enough. The true architect constantly refines their craft. This stage is about building habits for continuous improvement. First, embrace what I call meta prompting. Ask the AI to critique your own prompts. Paste your prompt in and ask it to act as a mentor. Write in, critique this, improve it, and explain why. It's like having a tireless coach helping you to spot blind spots and level up your communication with the AI. Second, stop starting from scratch every time. Build your own prompt playbook. When a prompt sequence works exceptionally well, save it. Use Notion or Notes, whatever works. Capture the prompt, the context, the model, and the successful outcome. This curated library becomes your personal arsenal of proven strategies, your shortcut to excellence for recurring tasks. These habits ensure your skills don't just stagnate, they sharpen over time. Now, for a massive leverage point most users miss: choosing the right AI brain for the job. Stop just using the default. Know your key models of April 2025. And let's be honest, this is going to change tomorrow or next week or next month. All the more reason to hit subscribe so that as it changes, I can keep you updated. Here they are. GPT-4o is fast and versatile. It's the default model for ChatGPT. GPT 4.5 excels at nuance and creativity. O3 is your powerhouse for deep logic and complex code. O4 offers efficient reasoning and analysis. The core strategy? Match the model alloy to the mission. If you need beautiful art marketing copy, try 4.5. You want to debug some gnarly code? Use O3 or O4. Analyzing a huge report efficiently, O4 is absolutely your friend. And get comfortable with the hot swap. Start drafting creatively in 4.5 and switch to O3 for a logic check, and maybe back to 4.5 to polish the language, all in one conversation. Selecting the right intelligence engine is crucial for peak performance. Don't use a sledgehammer when you need a scalpel. Finally, the architect becomes the conductor, orchestrating multiple capabilities for complex outcomes. Dive into the GPT store. Find specialized GPTs built by the community for niche tasks. Leverage pre-built expertise. Absolutely critical. Ensure originality the right way. AI can echo sources. Always verify important work using external third-party plagiarism and AI detection tools. Protect your integrity. For deep dives, use deep research. Ask it complex questions. It anonymously searches, synthesizes, and cites, delivering comprehensive reports. Of course, again, you need to verify your findings. And bring it all together. Use ChatGPT as your personal assistant. Let it help you plan schedules and draft your communications and outline complex problems by combining its tools and memory and your clear direction. This is about integrating AI strategically into high-value workflows, moving from isolated tasks to orchestrated results. So, that's the path. Blueprint your prompts, personalize your copilot, activate the full workshop of tools, select the right AI brain. And finally, integrate these into powerful workflows. That's how you become the prompting architect. Which step felt like the biggest potential unlock for you? Drop a comment below. I read them all. And if you want the detailed blueprints for all 30 hacks, the link below, the full Prompting Architect ebook, is right there in the description. Also, hit subscribe so you don't miss future deep dives. Stop being a passenger, tossed about by the AI waves. Start being the architect. Design the interaction, command the tools, build the future you envision. The potential is immense, but it requires intention. The strategy is now yours. Go build something remarkable.